Have you ever wondered how Kente is woven in Ghana? How many workers now are from?
There were more than 1,000. More customers were UK, Australia,
US,
South Africa, South Africa.
I said, experience already. Wow. Hello, family. Have you ever wondered how Kente is woven in Ghana? Today, on the Heritage Voice, I want to take you to a Kente woven factory in Ghana, Sunyani to be precise, in Newtown, on the road to Bakuniaba. Let's go and let me show you how Kente is woven. So, as you can see, show them. As you can see, this is a factory in Sunyani, Kente woven factory. You see the workers are working. We are going to have a conversation with them and know how Kente is woven in Ghana. Let's go. Boss, we are working yet. Kente no man away no. So you see how he is working. You see how he's doing the Kente. Wow. Hello, mommy. Good afternoon. Baby, I work here.
Welcome.
And Kente ni Diana. Oh yeah, no. As a would shiny be says.
Fine.
We know ewo ni di o wa na.
Fine.
We have anything.
Omri.
But I say
Omri.
omelette. Ladies and gentlemen, she said this is omelette. So let's see this gentleman over there. Show them the gentleman over there. All right, so this is another gentleman. Boss, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But who dear we know, your friend is
A design.
design or your friend is
Ajunsu.
huh?
Ajunsu.
Oh, Ajunsu. Design to design. So this is design to design. Wow. How do you hear then?
Aaron.
Aaron. Who's is now has it? Oh, nice. F1.
Good.
That's right. The other sound back. What's it? So, yes, we are in a factory, the Kente woven factory. We are going to the boss to have a very beautiful conversation with him and know how these materials comes together as one and becomes a cloth, a Kente cloth, where you see people putting it on their shoulder. Yes, this is how the Kente is done. Let's go. All right, so this is the owner of the factory. We are here to have a short conversation with him to know how they go about with the factory. Well, good afternoon. But who didn't hear that?
The Samuel.
But now, who's listening? I say, who's ringing back?
What are we doing?
F1.
With a queen.
That's right. What are with you? Oh, nice. And the old day we into my friend is saying, wow, not all fingers are the same. That's the name of this cloth or this Kente or this design.
Yeah.
Wow, wow. Now the way I see you, who experience how many years now are you married?
21 years.
What? 21 good years. And I am married. Fantastic. Wow. How many workers now are from them? Which matter?
Okay, I'm coming 36.
36 in the 21 years. Wow.
Apprentice.
Wow. Then you are doing so well. You are doing so well. They are moving so let's go deep into tomorrow. How do you come up? Am I being to market here? Then we are not being to market because you are doing it small. See, then being to market here.
We are. The record machine. So
there is a machine. A car. Boom.
Yeah. Machine no. Again zigzag. Pump zigzag.
Okay.
And see, the baku at 2 hours here.
Okay.
Yeah. Power for zigzag. nti wo hu sɛ yadwen yɛde asie ani pɛpɛpɛpɛ yɛde bɛsie ani pɛpɛpɛ
and tomato do say na wo de be boom a ye benya
nti we no me the 7 pieces boom
7 pieces of this one.
yeah na yeah 2 years
2 years.
yeah
Let's end toma ye ma me mo de 7 pieces of this.
yeah and we pam I select and as I say we mienu a 4 years na obetimi ade pam kaba and select
Wow. And we na mo ye no we you be design I say man kasa mo design.
We younger say design but no obi na person ka ye man.
So you have designs here wo
Bebre more than 1,000
What? More than 1,000
designs.
Fantastic. The Kente has more than 1,000 designs. This is the one kasa who design. Who bet me the aba from my
yeah.
And now say who bet me out of the 1,000 over 1,000 designs no more. If you bring it, no matter what you might then, no my wow. Nti mutiminya orders free outside and I say even in Ghana has a company to me them say mo Kente no more bebre
more customers who UK
wow
Australia
US
South Africa and Ivory Coast
wow
customers who hobby beer more orders ya ne ade amount
fantastic
DHL na ya
deliver the amount.
yeah
This is very huge. He has been working in a Kente factory for the last 21 years. Now, if I was here in Kente media, I said experience in there. Wow. And okay, video is sponsored by Arrow Resales. Arrow Resales here platform there, international platform. They turn African products. Say you can say you food, say ya when you the other two and sending me be yeah, but say also on call for no. Omo core platforms no ma turn on nyoma e wo ho. Until you see ya memo create account. Then be obi bi o hia Kente ni bia no. E be reach out to you now the one you ni bia mo pa. You see how he's doing it very, very fast. Wow. Fantastic. And the Akomano colors in case you different one, do you have to change all these things?
We design for this what so we changing now.
We changing in
wow we design for me do I say me use me blue na film
okay
also we so different
okay
we say no me use you know satchel no
yeah
me
your friend is saying satchel
yeah
wow satchel
no me use me ensa
okay
say me do I say there me use me enu pe
okay
ma dey
wow nti bit baba say oh yeah na one miss line
bi I o miss obetumi a reverse
this so yi ahoma no
yeah why you know so
wow fantastic nti we say is 8 na ma and man back na entuma ye nananom efura de 12
we no 12
see is 12
no 18
yeah because I know muso
anyway 12 years
wow
anyway 12
years
yeah almost fresh
yeah
anyway 12 years
okay
into way bago 18 when I yeah nema de no
wow this is very beautiful ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Simon, right?
Yes,
Mr. Simon. He has been working in the Kente factory for the last 21 years. This is very recommendable. We need to recommend people who have been doing this, maintaining the cultural heritage of Ghana. I love this. I feel so yes Kente no it be the graduation sash na mo de to ko mu no and that's so no okay so this is the popular graduation sash ya no ma ye ko school ye wie school ana ya ye we kama de ato ye kom bebi bia wo bia se wo hia bia ono ankasa na nwene yetimi nwene ne ya twere wo bia gu so kama we empepa what you say ye bono kama de ama it is shining. This is straight from the factory. Na say uyo bi so a wo produce sash no in bulk na wo to bi ama na ya ama wa. This is Mr. Simon. Me the number be to screen so. Na wa pick number no wa friend. O friend na open in bulk a obedi ba ma kama pa. Ndi we na ya munya free students no wa na say mo me pen so.
A student no na be ba orders.
Okay.
Ya ya mo.
Nti we ndi say so ye ni bebre bo ma kwa so.
Ya. There be ye no so tia say ya.
Mbe taking the tia say ya. I can say we ni size na.
Yeah, length na.
Oh, nice. Efepa. We dey my real school in time yes I dey and come me dey ba ma we ma me. Oh, that's nice. But once again, we didn't hear Emmanuel. Oh, nice. But how many years are we going?
I say, getting to 3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years. Wow. And they say we experiencing was so far. It is a new designs a bar. How do you people know? How do you get it?
So young guys will be to make creative design.
Okay.
I don't need that
exactly. So this all comes with creativity. That means you have to be creative enough to create your own designs. Money here no more here no. I say online a pele you do ho. And we never there. Then out there.
I say we no. To my money movie. So now to me I designs no.
Okay.
And we nema man movie.
Nti on Sunday code na ona susu ye adwuma. Wow. This is beautiful. This is the Heritage Voice. I'm the emoji guy. Subscribe and follow for more. Peace out.